Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching another one of my videos, and here is something that I've been still trying to figure out, but I think I've got a pretty good handle on it. Now at first glance this looks like a pretty crazy trading screen, but here's what I'm doing. I'm using this for reference, this for timing entrance. Here I only get in when it's below 20. Now you can see this new visual chart reference, this indicator, that's the word I'm looking for, indicator, pretty much does what this does. Okay, you see this DMI control line, the purple line coming on here? Whenever it goes below 20, that's when this goes and turns into an X, which means prepare for entry. Okay, so I only trade when this goes below 20, and when this goes below 20, see this line pretty much apes what this is doing up here. And when it goes below 20, this line, and it goes below 20 here, there's an X, which means attention, get ready to enter. And then basically, when the color changes, that's the way you go. And you wait until it peaks, and then you get out. So like right here, attention entry, and when it peaks, you can pretty much get out. So here's a little trick that I've been learning. I'm going to do a proper video on this when I got a handle on this. But you might think to yourself, well, in this X zone, when my entry zone, which way do I get in? One thing you could do is wait until you see the color, red meaning down or green meaning up, or you could take a guess, and that's where this indicator comes in, the Stoch RSI. Whenever it's on the way up, and you get one of these zones here, and you see it's on the way up, it's a good bet to just follow the way it's going. Here that didn't work. But then you just reverse yourself, and then it's red and you stay in until the peak, and then you get out. And again, this is for the 5-minute chart. This is if you want to trade during the day. You could also trade this in a 30-minute window, and I had a lot of notes to myself down here. That's why this looks all crazy, but as soon as this chart keeps generating forward, the notes stop. That's just for me while I was figuring things out. I was making little notations and stuff. With this, when you go to the 30-minute chart, you want to trade pretty much 2.5, 3 weeks out, and just play it from there. And right now, for the last couple days, it's been in this zone, which means you're waiting to get in, or you could just pick a direction, but waiting to get in and see either a red or a green shows up, which will be around out here like this or this, after the X zone. So you trade this about 2.5 weeks out. In the 5 minutes, you can just trade the current week. Expiration's the current Friday of the week you're in, and just play it from there. So basically that's what I'm working on right now. It looks like a real busy trading deck here, but again, I've pretty much this is pretty much this. There's little things that you can look for in here that I will explain later, the further help in timing, but I'm just trying to keep this as simple as possible. Whenever you see an X and it's kind of like, caramel colored, that means attention, get ready for a trade coming. And then when the line changes to either green or red, you just follow it, and when it peaks, you get out. I tend not to trade on the way back down. I want to see an X caramel zone first. I only basically trade when there's an X zone, and then I get in and I get out at the peak. And that's pretty much how I'm doing it right now. So I know I haven't really given you any details or any technicals on how this is done, but I will do that in the next video. Again, I just got this new card here and I'm playing with it, figuring out how this works, and I will make a more detailed video later. Alright guys, thanks for watching.